my own, nobody gives a shit. No one asks me how I'm doing or what I've been up to. Thank goodness for my mama, without her I'd be hopeless. Trying to find my purpose, and life you need a purpose. And you're living for nothing and no one can live for yourself. It's against the rules, blasting my headphones, roaming the city. On my own it gets lonely, but trust me I ain't alone. People here and there feeling claustrophobic, but I can't stay home. I gotta be on the grind, I gotta be on the go, even though I got no place to go. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. This is the sound of ghost tears. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. This is the sound of ghost tears. Do you hear me crying? Cause I won't show it. You gotta hear it in my music. Consolidating myself cause I got no one else. At times I feel helpless, I can't even help myself. What am I living for if I ain't living for myself? Thank goodness for my music, without it I'd be hopeless. Trying to find my purpose, in life you need a purpose. Little skies, Lil Peep and Justin Bieber get me by. Got the songs on repeat, I can't stop listening. Nothing without my beats, nothing without my headphones, nothing without my mama, and nothing without you. Thank you universe for hearing my cries. You stay listening, without you I ain't shit. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. This is the sound of ghost tears. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. This is the sound of ghost tears. I keep to myself, I keep myself on the low. I stay low-key cause then nobody can hurt me. I got my family and my circle small. Gotta protect myself at all costs. Built my walls up, nobody can get in our heart made of gold. You've heard that before, but I only speak facts and I speak from my heart. It's just another form of art. Music, lyrics, and bars, that's what speaks to me like a down to the song like empathy. I got myself up, put myself through life cause I don't need nobody. It's just me against the world. Thank goodness for my mama, without her I'd be hopeless. Trying to find my purpose, in life you need a purpose. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. This is the sound of ghost tears. Hear my cries, see my battle scars. This is the sound of ghost tears.